And I'm like something with that shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to In My Kitchen. So today I'm gonna make a shake for you, and I honestly don't know what to call it because this is something that I like, so I'm just gonna call it Nessa's shake. So today we have all the ingredients. I have malta, I have crunchy peanut butter, I have chia seed, I have whole flax seed, I have some vanilla flavor, we have cinnamon, we have nutmeg, the oats, banana, and some vanilla lasco flavor drink. So we're not going to use a lot of the vanilla because this is already vanilla. We have water and salt for little touch of flavor. So, and also ice. Okay, so first I'm gonna get some ice and I'm gonna put it in the blender, and you know that actually give it that chill. I'm gonna get some cold water also, and I'm gonna add it to the blender. Just about like a cup. And then I'm gonna add the malta. I'm gonna add half of the malta. I'm gonna add the oats. About half cup. It depends on how you want it. If you want it thick, if you like it thick, or if you like it watery. Then I'm gonna put the whole banana in there. I'm gonna get the chia seed. I'm gonna put just like quarter of a spoon, half of a spoon. I'm gonna get my flaxseed and I'm gonna sprinkle some in there. Gonna put your vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, gonna get the peanut butter, and guys, this is in no particular order. I just put all my ingredients in. And I'm just gonna put like a spoon of the peanut butter. Because this peanut butter is very strong, so you need a lot. Then I'm gonna get my lasco. I'm gonna put a good amount, because I like the flavor, and I don't use sugar in mine, so the Alaska is a thing that's sweet. Give it the sweet flavor. So I'm just gonna use like half of a cup in there, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar, and that was a bit too much. Now you just blend. and taste it. See if you get that. It's not that thick, it's just right. So now I'm going to go to the nutmeg in it. I don't like a lot of spices in it, so I'm going to put like a quarter of this nutmeg. See? That much. And that's it. I'm going to give it a stir again. That's it. Then all you need to do is serve. And there you have it. Nessa's shake. I just made my shake and I want you to taste it. And we just washed my hair, guys, so now watch it here. Taste and everything. Tell the viewers what you think about it.
Wow, tastes good. Why not?
Put it for something. One bag or something.
Yes, it's chewy thing. Inside it. What it?
Flaxseed and chia seed.
I know what in the seed anyway. Tastes good though. Nice.
Why?
It tastes good, you know. I'm here with that. Yeah. More drink of all like we have to skip time and enjoy. Should have some Oreo.
And the sugar not in there.
And yes, sir. No, sir. I don't like something that looks like rat shit. Tastes good.
yeah, rat shit. Chia seed. We can't even pronounce it properly. Chia seed. It's good and good for your body. If you want to lose weight, you can drink it.
One gain weight, you want me to lose weight. You really have flushed me out. Got a doctor the other night and 203 pounds some weight. So I want to take off that. I want to take off that one gain like 5 more.